So hello friends, welcome back to the channel. As you know that I have told you in the previous video that I'll upload videos in this channel about business, personal finance and personal growth related. So I was reading a book. The book is The Personal MBA by Josh Kaufman. It's a very popular book. Over 8 lakhs copies sold worldwide. So friends, I'll try to share 100% of the knowledge from the book through videos. So let's start it. Before diving deep into the book, the author has left a note for the readers. He has told that many people assume they need to go to business school to learn how to succeed, but that's not the case. The real secret to building a successful business or advancing in your career is having solid understanding of a few key principles and applying them in the real world. In today's fast changing world, modern business success relies more on practical skills than on complicated theories. You don't need years of formal education. Instead, focusing on a few essential business concepts can make a huge difference. That's exactly what the Personal MBA is designed to do. This book is not just a basic introduction to business, it's a guide to learning the most valuable ideas quickly and efficiently. Unlike traditional MBA programs that requires years of study and high tuition fees, this book contains everything you need to know into a practical, easy to understand format. No matter your background or experience level, the goal of the Personal MBA is to give you the knowledge and confidence to build a successful business, improve your career, and make smarter decisions. So, friends, as I told that I'll try to share 100% of the knowledge from the book. So, there's an introduction part of the book, and it's about 35 pages, and it's not so important for business. But before making this video, I have read this introduction part twice. I have highlighted important and useful parts, then I wrote them, and then I made every point easy to understand, and after that I'm making this video. In the entire introduction part of the book, the author mostly tried to convey a message to all readers. Skip business school, educate yourself. Business is not as complicated as people make it seem. You don't need an MBA, expensive courses, or a world full of certificates to understand how to build a successful business. In fact, most business schools don't create wealthy and well-connected people. They accept students, claim credit for their success, and leave the rest struggling with student debt. But here's the truth. Business success comes down to a few simple principles. Once you understand them, you will see opportunities everywhere, and decision making will become much easier. The first step to success, knowing what's important. Every successful entrepreneur knows this. Understanding what truly matters in business is the first step towards making good decisions. The more you focus on the essential questions, like what problem am I solving? Who needs this? How can I reach them? Can I deliver more value than my competitors? The faster you will find the right answer and move forward. But instead of focusing on learning these core concepts, most people hesitate because of three common fears. Number one, business anxiety. This is the feeling that you don't know enough about business. So you assume you could never start a company or take on a leadership role. So you stay where you are, afraid of stepping into the unknown. Number two, certification intimidation. You have been led to believe that business is a complex subject that only trained experts with MBAs can master. You think, who am I to say I know how to run a business? Number three, imposter syndrome. The fear that you are already in over your head and that sooner or later everyone will realize you don't actually know what you are doing. You think, what if I fail? What if they call me fraud? Here's the good news. Everyone has these fears, but they are completely normal. But don't let them hold you back. Business is not some magical, secretive world controlled by genius. It's built and run by ordinary people, people just like you. You don't need to know everything. You only need to understand a handful of fundamental principles that will allow you to identify opportunities, make smart decisions, and take action. Principles over methods. The man who grasps principles can successfully select his own methods. The man who tries methods while ignoring principles is sure to have trouble. In simple terms, if you focus on the core principles, you will always know what to do, no matter how the market changes. If you only follow trends and strategies without understanding the why behind them, you will always be struggling. The simple truth, business is not rocket science. Most people overcomplicate business, but the reality, business is one of the simplest professions in the world. At its core, all businesses operate in a few fundamental principles. Number 1. Understanding what people want. You cannot sell something people don't need. Number 2. Attracting customers. First grab their attention, then make them interested. Number 3. Building trust. Customers only buy from businesses they believe will deliver what's promised. Number 4. Exceeding expectations. Happy customers come back, angry customers destroy businesses. Number 5. Making more money than you spend. If you don't manage money well, you won't stay in business. These are not complex ideas, but they are always necessary. If you do them well, your business will thrive. Ignore them and your business will fail. It's that simple. Skip business school. Educate yourself. Business schools don't make people successful. They take people who are already on the path to success, give them a degree, and then claim credit for their achievements. If you are accepted into a top MBA program, the school will help you to find a high paying job after graduation. But after that, you are on your own. If you succeed, they will use your name to attract more students. If you fail, you will get no support, just a pile of debt. MBA programs rarely teach you the skills that truly matter in the real world. They focus on theories, case studies, and corporate structures, but business is about execution. You don't need an MBA to test a business idea. You don't need a professor to teach you how to sell. You don't need a diploma to learn how to manage money. What you do need is a deep understanding of business fundamentals, and you can learn that faster, cheaper, and more effectively through real world experience, books, and online resources. The key to business success is not a degree, it's knowledge, action, and adaptability. If you truly want to succeed, focus on mastering the principles, not memorizing strategies. Stop waiting for permission. Stop thinking you need a certificate to validate your knowledge.